free Zoom workshop on secret of universal mind and how to use it to manifest what you want to manifest in your life. My friend, we have a conscious mind, we have a subconscious mind, and now subconscious mind connected to the universal mind power. Now universal mind power is connected with everybody's mind. That is why sometimes you think about a friend of yours and he calls you. Something you are searching for it, suddenly you find that something that is waiting for you. Many times happened with me. I was looking for a book, I entered in a bookshop, the book was looking at me as if waiting for me. Happened. This is called the power of universal mind power. So my friend, it works on a very specific way. Now, a lot of miracles happen in my life. I will tell you during the workshop, because it's a free workshop happening on Saturday 5 p.m. It's a full practical workshop where I'll learn step by step how to activate the power of your universal mind power to achieve what you want in your life, manifest what you want. It has to be done specifically, otherwise it will not work. Many times it has happened with you. You wanted something and suddenly it happened. But again you wanted something, it has not happened. Why? There is some difference in the first and second time. That's what you are going to learn with my experience using this universal mind power for more than 40 years in my life. I'll give you the example how it worked for me and how superbly it worked. And if you use the technique, which you learn in the workshop step by step you learn the techniques and steps you will learn. So you start using universal mind power easily. Universal mind power work on a very powerful thing. You heard about the AI software, artificial software? There is a very powerful built-in software in your subconscious mind connected with the universal mind. So whatever you want, it connects you properly only if you follow the simple secret steps. So this workshop, my friend, I am Pradeep Aggarwal. I am conducting workshops from all over the world for so many years. Now, this is a very special workshop and it is totally free. So please join the WhatsApp community link. No, it is not a WhatsApp group, it's a community link. The advantage of this link is, the community is that nobody can steal the data, nobody other group member cannot bother you, only we can see you and you can see the messages. So join immediately right now, click on the link and join the group on Saturday morning. So workshop is on Saturday 5 p.m. Saturday morning we'll share you the Zoom link. You can forward this video to your friends and family members so they can also join the free course, because it is a free, it's a fantastic course. I love doing it and you will enjoy it and you will learn the power of the universal mind power, how to utilize it and how to manifest what you want in your life using the power of universal mind. Thank you very much and see you on Saturday 5 p.m. sharp.